In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dealer, tap on keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *## 64663 ###. And now you are in testing mode, so you can smoothly test your device's features. Just pick the feature that you want to test. So for example, if it's about display, just mark it, touch screen to start, and now check if it's working properly. And it definitely worked as it should, so click on pass. Now we've got the receiver test, so just mark the numbers that you hear. 36, I guess, tap on pass. And
6, 2,
now
6,
the speaker.
2,
And
7.
let me go back. And obviously here you've got the info, and you can test whatever you want to hear. So this is very useful code, and you can test every feature. If you have some doubts or you have some issues with this device, smoothly enter this code and check if it's about some app or maybe your device itself. Then let's open testing mode performed by Google, and the code for it is *## 4636 ###. And here you can check phone information and also Wi-Fi details. Under phone info you will find email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and many more. And you can also run a ping test here. Just click on run ping test, and below you've got the answer. And under Wi-Fi information you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So smoothly reach those info that you want to check, and you will be provided with details. But there is one very interesting stuff. Under Wi-Fi status you can also perform a ping test. So just click on it, and below you've got the results. Let me go back. And another code that I would like to show you is the calendar. So just enter *## 225 ***. And here you will be able to check all upcoming events, celebrations, birthdays, any save date in your calendars. So just enter this code and make sure that you remember about everything. So this is it. And another code that you can use very frequently is Diagnostic Mode, which is for which code is *## 426 ****. And here we've got the Fcm Diagnostic, where you can check events and also status. To open some further details, just tap on More and select Advanced View. And as you can see, here you've got loads of other data. And the last code that I would like to show you, and actually I think this is the code that you will use most frequently, is *## 06#. And this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, which are email and serial numbers. So tap on OK to go back. And that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy and use them whenever you need to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.